Hello friends, Running Kimono here. No weather report because look how bright that is, and no Walgreens either. Meh! Because here's my story today. Both online and in-store items were not ringing up for sales cost. So it is that commotion of a couple weeks ago where everything would just be a real mess. So on Monday, look for my video. I will probably do a $40 basket with 2 boosters. And I do apologize about that, but it's just the breaks. Now, we're gonna talk about this over at the Dollar General, and it is this Dawn deal. Now, you can either get the fresh scent or apple scent. I made a video first thing this morning, and if you watched it, it's a really sensational deal to get this and this for 96 cents. So I'm just showing you the different types of scents that you can get. So either the fresh or the apple, and then the refill is in the fresh scent. Do this deal at your absolute and total discretion, because here's the thing, they're gonna pull this sometime, and if you are not good at thinking on your feet, you're just gonna be paying $5 for the 2, and that's not cool. So the really unique thing that's going on right now with the Dollar General is there's a digital $3.99 off of 2, plus the promotion for this is to buy this, get this one for free. So that's a store promotion plus the manufacturers. Well, it's shaking this out to 96 cents for the 2. Now, a lot of people are reporting it's not working anymore, I tried, blah, blah, blah. But then other people are saying it's working. So when this is gonna end, I don't know, but I will keep you guys informed on Instagram. Also here, I'll pin it in the comments. How I got this to work, guys, just listen, you have to really pay attention. Got the cashier to scan this one first, the trigger spray with the little, you know, and then cashier scanned this one second. I punched in my phone number. I had my $3.99 off of 2 digital loaded, and then it amounted to 96 cents for the 2. The devil is in the details. If you are gonna scan this one first, I think it's like $5 for the 2. And it's once per store card. And if you wish to scan these barcodes in the Dollar General app to see the inventory that your store has, I will provide the UPCs. So this is the power spray that's in the apple scent. The power spray in the original scent, or the fresh scent. You can see how much inventory your store has. So is it worth your gas to get out to the store? Because gas is really an arm and a leg, right? And then this is the little refill, the UPC for this guy. So good luck with this. I don't think their intention was to have this go on and make this so cheap and, you know, that sort of a thing. It's just a happy little accident that happens, and it's a store promotion and a manufacturer, and the 2 are stacking. I also had a lot of success using a March P&G insert coupon with this. So again, do this at your discretion. If it doesn't ring up the way that we just discussed, avoid the transaction. I have no idea when this deal will be over. I believe on Tuesday, I also made a video about these little purple square items that are 90% off, and I found these 2 at a store. This was 60 cents and this was 30 cents. Still be on the lookout for these, because how great is it to get these products at 90% off. And this is really cool, this little brush set. Now this is probably one of my favorite finds, and it was on Friday. I found an entire display, and then I looked at the top of the toy section and found some of these sticker books at the very top. So it is called the Magic Edition, the best sticker book ever, 1,000 stickers included. Look at some of these beautiful stickers. I'm gonna give a bunch of these to my niece and probably give a bunch of them away as well. But really, really cute. Here is the UPC if you wanna look for this in your store. This was part of Christmas, and it's still showing up at certain stores around here. So I think basically what it is, employees are just throwing it on the floor, and they didn't know it was a penny item because it doesn't look very Christmassy. It just looks like a regular product. But still, I was able to get a bunch of these like really, really cheap. So loving this little dealio. The last thing I want to talk about are these lollipops, another penny item. I walked into a store on Saturday doing some 5 off of 25 deals, and there were 12 of these guys, and they are a a sucker with some popping candy. So just kind of a fun thing. This doesn't expire until next December. And they were all a penny each. And the employee just told me, she's like, you're so lucky, you're gonna get those for 90% off. And I'm like, oh yeah. And she's like, I just put them out from the back. So I think she thought she was doing the manager a favor or something like that. And they were actually penny candy. So I got all of them for a penny. So that was pretty amazing. There's also gonna be a clearance event this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The clearance section and POG planogram stuff is also part of it. So I will have a video for you guys about that clearance event. It takes a couple days to get that video together. It's a lot of organization, but I will have something in the next couple of days for you guys to get you guys organized and to figure out the best digital deals and the best freebies and cheapies. I'm really looking forward to that. Okay, so over at Walmart, we have a couple little deals. I kind of have been in and out of there the last couple days, and sorry about that weird mood lighting. I absolutely hate videoing at 3 o'clock in the afternoon here because it's all like half and half Phantom of the Opera. Okay, so let's talk about this first deal. And I only did this deal because I wanted to try this. So there is a buy one, get one free on the, for the Gain Power Wash or the Power Blast and the Dawn Power Wash. So you buy this and you get this for free. So at Walmart, this is $4.44 and this is $3.94. So I got this guy basically for free and I had to pay for this one. So paying $4.44 for the two. I just want to test this out. And yes, I will be making a video this week. I want to actually see which one is the better dish soap at cleaning dishes and cutting greases at Dawn or the new Gain Power Blast. I'm really excited for that. But if you wanted to try it too, I think Walmart is one of the only few stores that carry this right now. I was kind of hoping that the Dollar General would, but I could not find any over there. This beautiful box is this Lysol Smart multi-purpose cleaner. So what they provide in the box is this little cylinder that has the cleaner, and then the bottle is empty, so you have to fill it up with the water. You can use this bottle up to 25 times. It looks really cool if you look at it. So on clearance, this guy was $1.99. So grabbing two of them, that's $3.98. IBOTTA has dollar rebates back for this, so times two is $2 back. Shopkick has 200 points, so that's about 80 cents. Plus, coupons.com had $1 back when you buy two. So at the very end, it made it 18 cents for the Now with Ibotta, you can buy up to 5, so I grabbed all 5 because I really love Lysol. I think this is a product that I have no problem paying up for. Clearance is always, your mileage may vary, so definitely be on the lookout for this one. It is a superb little deal. These back to root gardening kits for the kids, we have one for seeds and one for like flowers. They are $6.97 a piece. Find them in the gardening aisle. Ibotta has $3.50 back for this one and this one, and as does Fetch Rewards. It's 3,500 points, so it's like $3.50. So you get back $7 for both, so it makes it like a 3-cent money maker after everything is said and done. My husband and I want to do a little bit of gardening, so we're definitely going to try and use these seeds, try and make something happen. I did grab also a bag of soil, but I grabbed the wrong one where I got the Ibotta rebate, but Fetch didn't give me the credit of like $3 back. But that's my mistake, and that's okay. I'm not going to lose a lot of sleep over it. But I'm really happy to get these seeds for free because gardening is something my husband and I want to try this year. The Sky Vodka, and this is the, I don't know, it's like the one that is $13.99. You'll pay that out of pocket for this vodka, and then you're gonna get back 2,800 points on Shopkick, which is basically $11.20. So it makes it $2.79. Now in some Walmarts, the Sky Vodka is a lot cheaper. And also IBOTTA has a $2 rebate. I sadly did not have that rebate, but still to get a bottle of vodka for $3, even though I'm not a big drinker, you can use this to disinfect wounds, home prepping stuff. It's always good to have like in your stockpile. So one bottle of vodka, I think that's a really good deal to get, you know, $11.20 back from Shopkick. Couple last things we're going to talk about. This little kitchen towel, it was on clearance for $2, but it was actually ringing up for 38 cents. So if you want to go to the site brickseek.com and then type in this UPC along with your zip code, you might score these really inexpensive. They might be where the kitchen towels are with the kitchen stuff, or possibly in the clearance section. And it's this double pack with these love notes and these hearts. I mean, it's just super uber cute. The Yankee candle, this one is Holiday Countdown Collection as Mary Berry. And it smells like, I don't know, it smells like berries. It doesn't really smell like the holidays, but it's really nice. Going to the same site, brickseek.com, type in this UPC to see if your town might have these on clearance. And this was $5. So a candle that's upwards of close to 19 for $5. It's like 80% savings. Bit of a candle addict here, so for this one, I have no problem paying that $5. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.